Transformation is really about people, process, and technology. It is critical that all three of those interact well and perform well to execute changes in a meaningful way. At Insight, our focus is really on helping clients capitalize on the opportunity of digital transformation while also mitigating the risk to their operating environment that comes with transformation. And we do this in three major areas. One, we help clients modernize their platforms, whether that's traditional data center to all versions of the cloud, all the way to the edge, really creating the right platform on which to build your business.
So things like the cloud or multi-cloud or distributed cloud, and also advances in hardware, for example, using GPUs in order to be able to run AI more efficiently. So how do we create a modern infrastructure that takes advantage of all these advances that allows us to create solutions that directly meet our customers' needs?
So Modern Platforms covers legacy data center, it covers the cloud hypervisors. This is really, really important that we look at it as a true platform. So how are we taking the data and AI outcomes that we need in an automated and secure fashion? How are we building those modern platforms for the customer? So this could be a platform anywhere, but the most important thing is it easy for an operations team to manage? Is it easy for a platforms team to interact with that team and a development team or an application team or business unit? And how is that team that's developing and managing and writing platforms code and software on top of that able to interact in a very consistent manner?
The next critical piece in what we do there is helping clients connect those platforms, automate processes, and do so in a secure manner. So there's always a consideration for security in all that we do, but there is very much an intentionality there from a focus perspective with our clients.
So if you think about security, it's germane to almost everything that we do, and it's a big concern of everybody in the industry today. And so we use that as a superpower to really effectively create solutions with security built in.
So I think it's critical to make sure that anything that we develop, whether it's an application, a new data and AI solution, or an intelligent platform, has security at its core. We know it's our client's #1 concern, and we have to be aware of it in every solution that we build.
So automate and connect securely. But when we're talking to, let's say, a C-level executive, and they're saying we need to grow revenue by X, or I have this problem with that product output, we're not being efficient enough in these stores, whatever that may be, or maybe they don't even know what they're not being efficient in yet. The automate and connect piece is the basis we use to make sure that we operationalize how we solve those problems for them very quickly.
The final piece is really using data in a way to leapfrog the competition. If you look at data and AI and the many use cases and opportunities that provides to our clients, we are seeing this really being a meaningful way to drive employee experiences forward, change client interaction, and have significant impact to how clients use data to move their businesses forward.
My favorite is data AI, really focusing on how do we take advantage of the infrastructure with security built in order to be able to create solutions that take advantage of the data assets that organizations have today. So how do they maximize their business value by understanding how to use that data to drive competitive advantage, operational efficiencies, and to make the organization more effective.
So what are they actually trying to solve for from a data perspective that we can help them come to an outcome? Whether that requires custom software, it requires analytics and data, it requires a supercomputer, and then the most challenging part with that with our customers is not actually what they're trying to get to. It's the clarity and gravity and consistency of the data they're actually trying to utilize and analyze as they go through that.
When I think about our superpowers, it really starts with intelligent applications, the intersection of data and the human experience. So where are we building applications that drive business outcomes, that bring people together with all the data that exists within their organization? I think that's something that Insight's uniquely qualified, and we've got all the capabilities to drive innovative solutions there.